So when you put that sealant on the thing, is there anything I need to do?
No, he's
yeah, you just don't touch it for like an hour.
the guy that died held church while they were telling
Does that include the fuzz, or does that come off?
No, that'll come off.
Yeah,
that.
Just leave your finger.
I watched it land when I walked over here. I was like, he was looking at it and it like landed on there. I was like, fuck.
It's like you try to touch it.
I swear I'm good at this.
You put your fingerprint in it.
What kind of seal? Like what? So what do you use?
Obviously, I'm not gonna steal all your shit. Bunch of different sandpaper, depending on how bad they are. It's like how
How many different things?
Scratch and swirl and Is this what you use to seal, or?
No, that's what I buff it out with. The one I use is that the seal is actually meant like for this. It's smug wires. And it's
McGears?
McGears, yeah. I swear I started that.
Heavy duty. Just in case you fucking erase it at a concrete job site.
I have nothing to upload today.
Oh,
yeah, you got him. There's a mosquito in here. He's still alive.
Wait, how are you
He's
gonna
still
upload
alive?
that as your own content?
Oh, yeah.
He's flying around.
That's awesome.
That's weird. How does he get in there?
Wait, where?
Wasn't I just telling you? I see bugs in lights all the time.
Yeah.
Why?
You got a little mosquito in there. He's
I think they get through the
son of a
back.
He's still alive. He was just flying around.
Hey, so
He
what's the
probably
process?
got in when I was doing my headlights.
Yeah. Hey, can you tell us the process?
Tell us the process.
So right
Put your
here, you
fucking phone
see.
away. I hate you so much.
He's just documenting this for scientific research.
Is this another YouTube video I'm gonna just scroll through?
Hey, it's your video. Did you
Hey,
scroll?
that's
Did you
right,
scroll
you
through
can
the?
Subscribers from this.
He's not even gonna tag you. He's just gonna be like, "This is my shit."
Did you at least see the one I just uploaded about you?
No. This is me. I've been here. I haven't been on my phone.
That was yesterday.
No.
Aw.
What time was it?
Midnight.
No, this is. I went.
And you'll see who commented on it.
Probably.
Go away there. The window.
I'll go look in a minute when I'm done with this. You don't have like a legit camera? I thought you had.
No, this is all I use.
There was like a, he was getting into his car and he was talking to some, I was wondering why you were waving at that person.
Oh, yeah. You didn't recognize the car, huh?
I didn't recognize the car.
It's funny 'cause-
when we got back here and Andy's car was there, she just like, what the fuck? And I said,
Oh.
oh, it's Andy.
Yeah. It's funny because that's not even the car that she needed the new tires on. So.
You ever accidentally turn that shit on high?
This?
Oh shit.
Melting the plastic is not fun.
Yeah. That's a little attachment. Well, I meant like, you know, like a drill.
You know that.
No, it won't. It'll get demonetized.
Sexual activity.
One of my videos got demonetized for saving a kitty from the junkyard. It got demonetized because it showed a corpse of a cat next to it.
But you didn't know that when you were filming.
I didn't know that when I was filming, and when, well,
Aren't you supposed to go back and edit your videos and like blur?
I just uploaded. I just uploaded.
Like, go through the whole video. I was like, "That's a good cat." Upload.
No, someone really like was staring really good at your video to notice that.
But it got demonetized. I was like, nah, fuck it, I don't care.
How many subscribers do you have?
3,100.
They say the first
I
1,000 is
thought
the
you were
hardest.
literally just gonna say 3.
Oh my god.
I have 3 subscribers.
No.
He thought about it. He's like, do I want to go 2 zeros or 3? No.
Oh.
Yeah, I hear the first 1,000 is the hardest.
Yeah, because you need 1,000 to get paid. If you don't have 1,000, they won't pay you.
Do you think these guys need it? These ones look okay.
They're just dirty.
That one.
Turn signals are always different plastic.
I think caramel is dirty. This is light camera. This is coffee.
That's from
Strikes me how he gets in there.
I do, but it's
Okay,
just
no,
it's brown.
Did you get
Damn.
close up of the bug that's in there?
That must be satisfying. I like when you can see kind of the rainbow. Kind of. That's how you know they're clean.
Stupid camera. Oh yeah, I see it.
I'll get that
I
lint off
definitely
before I go.
It hurts all the time.
The super tail light though, that one has a better insect inside of it, better bug.
It has a bug inside?
Yeah, on the super tail light there's a spider.
There's a spider
Nice.
There's
dead.
a spider
Yeah.
in the
Yeah.
tail light?
Okay, alright, hold on. I gotta see it.
Oh,
This is a common super
Is this-
thing, just FYI.
I don't think I've ever noticed
Yeah.
this.
Aw, poor baby.
But that's a common super thing right here.
Why?
I don't know. They just get in
Why
through
is it
the.
flat? That's what that
It
was.
died.
No, but it's literally just like someone squashed it.
wait, can you play that again? I missed out.
Should have been watching.
Man.
It's a once in a lifetime experience right there.
Man.
Damn, look at how
I mean, you
clean
fucking
and
pay enough money, you can do whatever you
sparkly
want. They're doing his underwear, whatever you want, dude.
Oh
it is. Yeah,
boy.
you gotta drive
That's
6
extra,
hours
though.
just to clean your
Well,
headlights.
and to give him basically a
No,
new
it's-
car. But
it's
that's
headlights.
cool.
Not quite 6 hours.
Yeah, he drove 6 hours, right?
Yeah, he's like 4 hours north of me, and
Yeah.
it took me about 2.
Ready?
Hey, Matt, I might have a challenge
One.
for you after you're done with this.
Gotta get this lint off, I feel bad. Yeah, I'll wait till it dries.
I don't
'cause
have
it's
to
still kinda
stand.
Complete.
not bad.
I think the yellowing is what was the worst part.
My legs hurt from the sunburn. I gotta get down.
Did you at
I
least take
got
it
a
before?
challenge for you though.
Yeah.
I literally
If
just
you're feeling up to it. If you see the
Watch
stack of
this
super
guy.
lights, it had an accident, and one of their lights was replaced. But if you notice the one on the right,
Don't
that's the original, and you see
It's
the
not shiny.
see how the white light is
Oh
kind of yellowed.
God.
I don't know if that's
I
like
fucking
the bulb or
watched
the
that
lens.
guy.
This is gonna get
Yeah, I think
demonetized.
sometimes get a little close up on it. I was just curious.
Wait, don't move.
Post it!
Oh no.
Why do I see hearts flying everywhere?
And that's it.